everyone. This is death defying. 25 meters. They said 25 meters of just going up, up, up. But that was an experience. First time for me too. It's worth it. We saw a very big Rafflesia Arnoldi bud. It's about to bloom in 3 days, and it felt like a pregnant woman to me. So I was just caressing it like that. But yes, definitely worth it. You just get off the car and just walk up 25 meters, up, like on a cliff, and then you see Rafflesia. So really awesome.
Okay, thank you.